Good morning. It is roughly about 5:25 in the morning, and I'm going to be doing a 5:30 a.m. routine. I normally wake up and make up the bed. Charles is in the shower. I go ahead and get dressed, putting in earrings, putting on my glasses, as well as having my clothes on and ready. I go ahead and put deodorant on and all of that great stuff. Of course, got to get socks, got to get some pants and things like that. And of course I was trying my best to pull my pants out, and so yay, finally got it done. For today's video, I woke up at 5:30, not because I had to, not because I wanted to, but I was woken up by hearing Charles in the shower, and normally I don't wake up until 6 o'clock, so I said might as well get up and get the day going and get this vlog started. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. I sprayed myself with Delilah from Bath & Body Works, and oh my God, it smells so good. I went ahead and put on some boots to match the outfit of the day that I had on. I'm using the Her Natural Miracle Cream on my hair. Yes, this style has been in for a day. So I went ahead and just put something over top of it to A, give it a good smell, B, just to give it a good moisture and hair cream for the day. So now it is roughly about 5:45. I went ahead and got my coat on and went ahead and took Sasha and Serenity out. So of course they're ready. The girls are really good about holding it. So I take them out at 6 a.m. I take them out at 3 p.m. and then I take them out again before the end of the night. So I went ahead and meal prepped for the week already, so I did not need to do it again. I went ahead and made me a Javi iced coffee as I was going to be eating the burrito that I bought, which is the egg, applewood, smoked bacon, and cheese. I had to make the kids some lunch because they did not like the option for today. And the option for today was oven baked chicken or a cheese quesadilla. So I pulled out some fruit to make a smoothie with, and this is the kids' lunch. They got chicken, fruit snacks, cheese, and chips. I have my Liberty cup. That is what I'm going to be making my Javi iced coffee in. The link for my Javi code is in my description box down below. If you're a teacher or a person that needs to be at work early in the morning and you don't have time to run by Starbucks or Dunkin' and don't really feel like spending the money, definitely use the code in my description box down below, because Javi coffee is amazing. You literally can make this within 5 minutes, and all you need is the Javi coffee concentrate, creamer, flavoring of your choice. You need water, milk, or oat milk, and boom. Okay, so far waking up at 5:30 is not bad. I'll probably feel it this afternoon, but for right now I got everything done on time. Normally I leave out of here at least at 6:45, but the time used to be that we left out of here by 6:30. It is 6:24. I'm gonna go start my car up. Normally I do my hair once I get to the work parking lot, so you guys will kind of see me put it together there. But just to show you guys what it's like waking up at 5:30, I'm gonna film the whole day. I have my lunch ready, the kids have their lunch, I have my breakfast in the microwave I need to grab, and then I have my Javi coffee and my Liberty University cup. I'll have a smoothie later, so I'll bring my little smoothie mixer, which this will be linked in my description box down below, because I got this off Amazon and it works wonders. So why pay for a full blendy jet when you can have this? Of course, I cannot forget my keychain, which has my key to work on it. This is something that I hang up at the door, and I have to make sure I have on my Apple Watch. It is now 6:35, and it was time for us to head out of the door. So you guys, this is the dark part of my morning where we don't really get to see other than what you see here. It is dark outside when I leave home, and it gets light as I basically go inside for work. And so I'm heading off to work. Okay, so once I get to work, I normally go inside and then put my things down and kind of check in on the other teachers, just to make sure in case anybody needs to use the bathroom before curriculum gets started. and I normally like check in on one of my kiddos. But in the meantime, I need to get ready to go upstairs and get ready to open up car doors for parents. So this was just not my typical day. Normally once a month I go over to the school and drop Cam's medicine off, and here we are. Okay, y'all, so been up since 5:25, almost 5:30, and I'm not feeling it yet. It's raining here. Ooh, I'm out of breath. Just had to walk over to the so like here, basically the 5th and 6th graders are at the upper elementary school, and then middle school is 7th and 8th. So they don't keep 5th in our elementary schools here in our city anymore. So I had to bring Cam over and drop off his medications as the nurse called me yesterday. So here I am. Luckily I can leave work at like 7:50 or like 7:45 in order to bring his meds over. And so I know y'all looking at my wheel right now, for real. So luckily I can, like, you know, bring those meds over and just head back over to work and like literally walk in like it's nothing. I think I'm gonna go get me some McDonald's. Okay, so I meal prepped Sunday and bought fish, rice, and like vegetables or whatever, but I ain't in the mood for it. So yeah, I've been doing real good with that, but that's okay. If I get hungry again later, I'll just, you know, eat that. Meanwhile, I'm going to McDonald's. The weather here is like nasty. Of course, I don't feel like really going out, but I'm gonna have to if I want McDonald's, because I'm not the type of person that be like doing DoorDash and stuff like that to get my food, but I'm hungry. First, I ain't got nothing to say. Don't try to please okay. Baby, that's okay. I am on the way. Y'all, I can't stop listening to Lyrica Anderson. You know, just for her to be like a small artist, and of course coming from love and hip hop, it's hard not to listen to it because it's like it's so catchy. No, ma'am. Can I get a cheeseburger, Happy Meal, with apple slices and fries, and a chocolate milk?
Yes, ma'am.
And then can I also get the number 7 meal with no pickles, extra ketchup, and extra onions. Large size with a Sprite, please. Might as well order for Sky and just drop it off.
All right.
Yeah, so like when I get back, Sky is normally at lunch, so I'll just run in and like give it to her and she can just save it. Lord, I couldn't record getting my food because one of my students' parents works up there, and I'm like, oh Lord. And she was like, why you didn't bring my son when you could? Look, Ain't no kids riding with me. They at the schoolhouse, like my great grandma used to say, learning a lesson. I don't know if anybody else grandma was like that, but my great grandma was like that. They at that schoolhouse and they getting that lesson. And I was like, yo, I would go to her house there in the summertime in the afternoons after getting off the bus. And she would say, well, where's your lesson? And I'm like, what is a lesson? And she's like, your lesson. She would never say, where's your homework? Where's your work? You know, none of that. It was, where's your lesson? I'm like, love, you country. But I mean, I am too. So I came back and had to sign in, and I also helped make a poster. Okay, so I'm finally gone from work, and let me just say, I'm definitely feeling that 5:30 get up now, where I'm literally about to go home. It's almost 3 o'clock, and normally I don't get off till 3 o'clock, but I've been clocking in at 7:15. That way I can leave at 2:45, especially like to go home and get things done before I have to get Cam. So I come home at 3 and then basically sit around until about 3:40 and wait on Cam to get off the bus. And so that's really like when I can do what I want to do. Until then, it's like it's very limited, because the moment I get into doing something, it's that time to go get him from the 4-way after he gets off the bus. But anyways, I need to get ready to go home and walk these dogs, get them out for the evening. So the good thing about the girls, now that we have the dogs, Sasha and Serenity, is that I'm able to walk them or take them out like 3 times a day. So I just take them out like first thing in the morning. I take them out when I get home at 3, and then I take them out again right before I go to bed. So that I can like go get in the shower. I don't believe in getting in the shower and then going outside. So that's why I take my showers at nighttime and not the morning time. I'm sure that it definitely will wake me up, but that's a lot of prepping. Sweet home. Thanks to everyone joining in to watch today's vlog, as I just wanted to show you guys my routine for getting up at 5:30 in the morning. And let me just say that it's definitely not a fun thing, but I would do it again just because I felt very productive about getting up at that time. But now, like, I'm home, I'm gonna, you know, lay down and watch my show, do some schoolwork, and kind of plan out my life, because that's just something that you have to do. Gotta go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button.